I have a small problem. I have a flower box on the outside of my porch. It has an awning over it so the rain can't reach it. Nothing grows in it except plastic. What should I do? And this is Keith in Metz, West Virginia. So Peter, just a little small problem, right?
Yeah. Well, I have a couple questions.
So do I.
Are you watering it?
Okay.
I would think,
Yeah.
you know, the rain can't reach it, yes, but
Okay.
you know, things should grow in it if you water it. But my other question is what is the soil in that planter box? It might be worth it to actually, you know, I don't know how big it is,
Right.
but to replace some, if not all of it. You know, if it's a small planter box, you can just dump it out and put new soil in it. If it's bigger, maybe dig out the top 6 inches and put in new soil, because it could be that there's just no nutritional value in that soil.
Could be. Could be.
Yeah.
So I actually thought of those same two things.
Same, yeah.
So I thought about the soil because we don't know the size, right? And then,
Yeah, the soil might not have no nutrients in there, nothing like
Right.
that. And it
Might
might
not
be
have
no
any
water in
nutrient
it, so
content. Right.
and that's why nothing grow in there.
Right.
Yeah, so I would try to change the soil out, put some new soil in there. I just see what's going on with that soil.
Okay.
Yeah. So and make sure you water that you got an arm over there. So might
Get
be
you a
no
watering
water.
container.
Yeah, get a watering container there. Yeah.
Yeah, the other thing is if it's under the awning, I don't know how much sun it gets.
Yeah, this is true.
But
There's probably a lot of
if,
shade.
you know, if there's a lot of shade, you need to be growing shade plants in there.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.